You see that girl over there, so when you Lorraine, you see when she have her talk show and she have her no home taking friend. When I live no that when I no stay in a blood it foreign. When you Michelle Bradshaw on a back up, Michelle, let me tell you something. A table blood cloth you wear. Carry yourself good cloth clothes and cheap clothes. Everybody knows a tourist. Michelle, every blood store there. Big old dungeon, old blood cemetery, old Michelle Bradshaw go summer. And from what you know over there, me Lorraine, I will dip up underneath your no teeth. You give Michelle platform and then you there take your open craft clot and a cum. And who know over there blood clot bright with. Underprivileged blood Michelle Bradshaw. Where suck blood clot if a room and blood board. Go talk about your thinking blood mama. Wanna move and go where bad mind your blood clot bad mind Michelle because all in your life me invest my money in my picnic them. All in your life you don't have blood clot nothing if you not go pan Lorraine show go blood clot talk and tell her you don't get a 20 blood clot dollar for buy a bottle of wine. Michelle Bradshaw move your big clot and go. You miss dirty Lorraine, any blood clot secret where you have for me carry out. Who knows I'm going come today. But I will be mad because I say what me say. Everybody have them platform. So when you go make Michelle blood clot call in and I go laugh, I know the first you do it. You did open my blood clot platform. 15 blood clot cemetery freezer. Dunder all Michelle Bradshaw. Calling and wish dead pa my blood clot pitney and you laugh. Uno move on the blood clot in Lorraine because Lorraine me no want go down the road there with blood clot you know. Uno have uno not get me out of it. Who the blood clot Michelle a talked about all blood clot broke. What day you one lady send one lady come here with something, come give me and come pick up something from me and me could have go meet the lady. You don't know blood clothes and taste and fashion and a bumbo table cloth Mr. Michelle Sue make frack. And what the blood clot do now? I don't know enough to play. You blood clot Lorraine, what you want me do? You want me go dig up back picture who have sugar, pressure, salt. I will dig up back on that and fling on out here, you know. I will dig up back on mama blood and fling out on a blood clot Tory, you know. You want the little dirty blood clot man, where did I take care of you? Oh no, allow me blood clot. I will dig up in my black book and fling out to the Tory out here and do one blood clot here and sit down on my sore foot and my hungry belly under my tent, you know. One blood clot trouble me far. Me trouble uno talk me sound of a loud woman. The woman now the charity, the woman a blood clot breaker that me say. Make blood clot Michelle, I know the first you do it. I know the first you take that dirty blood clot woman there. And what you aim, I will cook. I'm going to go back for my blood clot black book, every bumbo clot picture and go back out here. Galango blood clot ball. Every blood clot picture from hand foot. Every bumbo clot body picture and go back out here. Every the dirty blood clot man, when I put it up this time it not coming down. Every blood clot body picture come back out here. You couldn't go up close, you never blood clot of Michelle make you never go meet festive. Up close you never blood clot have Shame your blood clot chain because you're not tan good. You did glad when festive in the war you talk, you never festive at the festive, you never have nowhere. Though you did come by life and saw the family retreat. And you blood clot, I pay a lie you over there tell I said you go and put blood clot Lorraine into trouble. Because say when you talk say when the child service did go there for Millie, oh you make Lorraine talk to your boss. Your blood tell. Lorraine, when you talk to no, so you don't have no blood clot papers. You're too out of blood clot either you long time thinking well, Michelle. But dirty Lorraine should never give blood clot, Michelle. You don't know if you leave me alone, you know. So what if me take up for Dana? So what? Don't you go on Lorraine platform and take up for Lorraine and defend blood clot Lorraine forget your $20 for your wine? So what if me say the truth and right and talk about it? You know a bad man, the blood clot to man because you don't get the political asylum. Because you and I did plan, you and Lorraine and Festive and Bob did plan for go meet up down at New York there. And when you did for meet up, you don't have the plan, then you would answer your phone and you say you get out of town. And when the child service did come, then you say, you talk to Lorraine, you make Lorraine talk to your boss, and that's a blood clot lie. Dirty nasty thinking, Michelle, that's a lie. Look your dirty woman. Low blood clot me are the wrong one. Me never left me picnic with no man. Me mama blood clot alive and kicking. No blood clot man never did have to look after her. My mama never suffer. And all the while, who no do it, me no play with me no ramps, me no run certain joke. Me no run certain blood clot joke because me see Michelle in a table clot. Me no run certain joke cause long time Michelle tap walk down at the blood clot lawyer office and go do home care work. Long time. Michelle with that girl of all leave me, you know. Lady we wear the cold glasses with cocky blind. Where you not produce nothing. Leave me alone. Because the Lorraine at the platform all that wanna leave me alone because I don't care. Because me have kids where all God can take. But you walking dead, Michelle, you don't have anything. Because God never make mistake. And he will never make mistake for make a sit looking like you produce nothing more. The species like you. Because you're not Bradshaw. I walk your mama go there for walk and go cock up and make that's why you torment so. Wanna see how me walk blood clot for? Cause you want that delusional one but them call blood clot. You a ugly looking creature like you. Just imagine me see you on a TV but people they can call you for going up in a whatsoever America have there. You can imagine one little picnic see all one little black monkey. Then you want to tell me say I saw American government or parliament or president that's how they not nothing to do. That's them want to get one monkey. One redundant species, one redundant Jamaican gorilla. For putting a them white horse over there. I never see this yet. But coupon you will ever wear nothing with tan good yet, Michelle? Michelle, you know life, drunk, and you don't even have an address. Lauren, I sell you one cake, and you never have no blood clot here, and Lauren have the cake in her hand, and you go tell Lauren you're a liar. Lauren knows say you're a liar, Michelle. Lauren knows say you don't have no papers. I just see you come on pan Lauren choice like how when you talk with your thinking mouth while ago she bust out laugh. I feel your cuss Donna. Lauren knows say you're not nobody. From the time when you stood her up down in New York. Look at that nasty tired old woman leave me, you know. A bottomless dirty woman leave me, you know. Uno leave me alone because I don't care. I will come out here and cuss you and don't care. But you come bright, you say, Michelle, you know nothing. Michelle, if an Italian man I tap you the pan where you look off of a board, where you can't use him address because 10 to 1. I go down and one project the man live. Why you couldn't get the cake from Lauren? Why you couldn't get the cake? Why you could not get the cake from Lauren? Anybody want to send anything come from me? Why you couldn't get the cake from Lauren? Why you could not get the cake from Lauren? Why you could not meet Lauren? You only can take your ugly self. Your favor when time jackass and mule, a species of them mix up. And I behind and cuss Donna. That's all you can do. Why you couldn't go meet Michelle and Festive? Why couldn't you did have a plan, you know? And then all of a sudden, you gone out of town. Where you did do with the Italian man? Where you supposed to look after? The Alzheimer man where here you talk about run down and talk. What do you do with the man? Michelle, tell me something. You're working in a lawyer office. What is your position in there? Because I say, come here now. You then a one lawyer office and you can sit down for one live. Today or Saturday you should be washing those clothes and getting them ready to go. And doing your shopping to go to work to relax. And you should be spending time. Lauren come on live the only time, all demon, dirty woman. Where you curse God because he never give you a child. Where it about your girl go seek help. Go seek help at the wrong place you come. No. Shouldn't you be preparing your uniform and I do work, you do work. You know the pan Lauren, when Lauren a preach a man in time, you know they there. Lauren come on live 10 o'clock, you're there on it, 11 o'clock, you're there on it. Well, you should have come on live every 2 o'clock, mother say you get break. So tell me something. You now working at your own the blood clot liar officer, you are the liar. And if so, no client no come by you. You no move out here, hey. Hey, look at dirty mule. Go away now. Go away. But you come talk about the one a curse because of them come out to defend Donna. Me not defend Donna when Donna right, and when Donna wrong. I only did that different fuckery because when Tina Chin used to go on with her fuckery and Curly only did that they support Anna there and to the whole out over there and name one another like when dog and them blood clot dog. Because when Tina did come to you for go protest, I must say for your home you did go protest. Must for your home. Because when Tina did come to you and Tina did tell you, say, for go protest to her daughter, You should have tell blood clot Tina to take care of her daughter. You should have tell Tina take care of her daughter. And that you should have tell Tina for do. But only the one that go protest about. What only did I go protest about? Now the daughter so she say Tina na year na 10. What you did I go protest about? What you did I go protest about? When you see Lorraine mother come, you're too bad mind, Michelle Bradshaw. You're too bad mind. That's why Lorraine did a work and never tell you. Any hour never bang around with blood clot, dirty bar fly. You only did know, so Lorraine don't make you know her business, because Lorraine knows your chat. Lorraine don't make you know her business. Because you see from winter you go stood up Lorraine, and you see winter you come out you can't tell the light, so you make Lorraine talk to your boss. Trust me. It's not so good anymore. What this look on nasty dirty girl as old woman a context said palm about? Me address blood clot Dr. Lorraine because she's the platform all me not see you. You're too bright. You too bright. You worry about Dana room where she look up now. You the it can you move from places to place. Cause that's why you have to remember one woman they calling already. I know you know you never address that woman. You forget? You forget what the woman did say about you? The woman say you write good letter, but the woman say home care work you go. I so you never hear that, so go address the woman. How nobody can find you in the system? Look how nasty, dirty, all redundant mule. Hey, move in, girl. Move in with your girl as all, you know. You worry about where people live. You're nasty and dirty and look at thinking drunk already, drunk crow. Hey, look at thinking drunk already, all mule. All drunk crow. When I have nothing. When I live now where you don't have an address. You do not have an address. I have one. Actually, I have two because the one writing at the government over here, that's the ex-husband property. When we get two brilliant picnic. And I have one that I am paying for today. Thank you for who helped me pay for the tent. I have one that I just paid for. And I use that. Because that's my address. Pastor Bloomer there went 12A. I'm not hiding. Anybody want to send anything, come there then get it. Nobody. Lorraine did get back the cake. You damn drunk, yo. But the one at Carousel, you think like, you think say that you did do. You did call him on platform and which you pick where you wish that fine get him high school diploma. And if you even wish that pan them, me birth them. Where is yours where you birth? All you do is take your crutches and send man to them grave. Y'all gearless pussy drunk crow. No play with me. Who no play with me out here? Cause you don't know nothing about me for tell me hungry. Me supposed to blood clot hungry. You no sit down and what? You're too blood clot up upset. You're too bad mind. You're not supposed to talk about nobody pick me out here because you don't breed. You don't know how it go. Fi take cocky and open up and sweat in a air conditioner and sweat. I feel like you want shit and push. You do not know what it is. You don't know what it is for a baby suck your breast. You don't know the feelings there. You don't know what it is for you put something in a baby mouth and in taking teeth them and bite you. You do not know. Because you don't have anything of foreign. Everybody got to live for work to what them want. She have a house at Jamaica, no house. She have houses. And she own a business in America. Michelle, does you own any? Because since you say me I come out here, you own any house in America, you don't own none. You are the only somebody own house and nobody can find you. Because the dirty Tina, the her sister, did not look for your nasty ass and couldn't find you. But the one at Carousel, you dirty blood clot. Yeah, the one at Carousel because you a long time can you want a blood clot clash, you know we get it. Oh no, we get it. I go and start look for me picture of me ammunition. Them people are gone. Cause any old Lorraine come back out here on him platform and what me in platform, me I fling out me if fling out here what she not like. It not go nice out here. Later people, me go and look for my picture of my something. Cause I go and fling out every blood clot out here. I go and fling it out. Me know the lady have business and me ask big stinking Michelle. If she have business over there, cause she said she work a liar office. Liar and wicked and favor drunk crow. I come me a wait pan big pussy Lorraine for come out. Me a wait pan the ailment pussy drunk crow for come out here. My God.